Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vite versus VS Code. Vite is a cutting-edge front-end build tool designed for speed, offering features like instant server start and hot module replacement. On the other hand, VS Code is a versatile and powerful code editor, providing an extensive environment for writing, debugging, and managing your code. Understanding their distinct roles is key, as they serve fundamentally different, yet often complementary purposes in the modern web development workflow. Let's dive into what makes each tool unique. Vite truly shines in its development speed. It boasts incredibly fast cold server start times, often under 100 milliseconds, thanks to its native ES module approach. This means your development server is ready almost instantly. Furthermore, Vite provides instant hot module replacement, allowing you to see changes reflected in your browser without a full-page reload, significantly boosting productivity. It's also framework agnostic, supporting popular libraries like React, Vue, and Svelte right out of the box, making it a versatile choice for many projects. VS Code, as a code editor, offers an unparalleled development experience. It provides intelligent code completion, robust debugging tools, and integrated Git control, streamlining your workflow. Its vast marketplace features tens of thousands of extensions, allowing you to customize your environment for virtually any programming language or task, from linting to database management. Despite its rich feature set, VS Code remains lightweight, ensuring quick startup and smooth operation across various operating systems, making it a favorite among developers worldwide. Ultimately, the question isn't which is better, but rather how they work together. You should use Vite when you need a lightning-fast development server and an efficient build process for your front-end application. Conversely, VS Code serves as your primary integrated development environment for writing, debugging, and managing all your code. They are highly complementary tools. Vite handles the project's build and serve aspects, while VS Code provides the powerful environment for crafting your code. Using both together maximizes your development efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.